Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher notech haTorah emet v'bosra Yeshua leom Yisrael v'lemikol chachamim al yadi banu Yeshua HaMashiach Adonanu.
According to the Talmudic tradition, above the earth exists the first heaven in which all meteorological phenomena occur, known as Velon. In the New Testament, this is also called the first heaven. Scientifically speaking, this is the troposphere. According to Talmudic tradition, the firmament exists, which separates the upper universe from the lower universe, known as Rakia, of the second heaven. It is just above here that rain, snow, and hail are stored. In the New Testament, this is part of the first heaven. Scientifically speaking, this is everything from the stratosphere to the exosphere. Most likely, it is here that the lowest point at which the waters stand, as attested to by Leonid Kizim, Vladimir Solotov, and Oleg Atakov of Salyut 7. The watchers form a kind of divine watch over the earth, or even centuries between the mortal realm of the first and second heaven of the New Testament and the spiritual realm of the third heaven of the New Testament. According to Talmudic tradition, above this is the celestial bodies and stars known as Shekin Hakim, or the third heaven. In the New Testament, this is called the second heaven. Scientifically speaking, this is the universe outside of the exosphere. Most likely, it is here that the highest point at which the watchers stand. According to Talmudic tradition, above the universe is the fourth heaven called Zebul. In the New Testament, these are in the third heaven of which St. Paul speaks. According to Talmudic tradition, above these are where the heavenly holy city, the heavenly Beit HaMikdash, and the heavenly Mizbeach HaAlah, or altar of burnt offering, are erected in the Neon, or fifth heaven. In the New Testament, these are in the third heaven of which St. Paul speaks. According to Talmudic tradition, above these fly the choirs of angelic singers in the sixth heaven called Mechan. In the New Testament, these are in the third heaven of which St. Paul speaks. Most likely, it is here that also all angelic orders under the Sifrim stand or fly. According to Talmudic tradition, the Ophanim, Sephirim, Hayoth, and the great throne stand in the seventh heaven, called Araboth. This is the highest level of the heavens. In the New Testament, this is, of course, in the third heaven of which St. Paul speaks. Three prophets, Yeshayahu, Yekezel, Meghalu, the sage Daniel, and the Talmud Yochanan, known to the Romans as Ioannis Immortalis, have seen this while still in the church militant. Before the throne stand the angels of the presence, which are Prince Uriel, Prince Raphael, Prince Michael, and Prince Gabriel. In front of the throne and between the 24 thrones of the elders and the angels of the presence lies the sapphire-colored crystal sea, which looks like a pavement slab. On a side note, the identity of the elders is the subject of debate. One theory is that they are Reuben, Shimon, Levi, Dan, Yehuda, Naphtali, Gad, Asher, Yisachar, Zebulun, Yosef, and Benjamin. The 12 sons of Jacob, our forefather, and Keph, Andrew, Jacob ben Zadabi, Yochanan ben Zadai, Philip Bartholomew, Toma Metayahu the tax collector, Yaakov bar Hafia, Tadi Shimon the Zealot, and Metayahu, the 12 Talmidim of Hamashiach.